U.S. Navy has a crucial new asset. The service commissioned its newest amphibious transport dock, LPD, in a ceremony at Naval Air Station Pensacola in Florida on Saturday, September 7th. USS Richard M. McCool Jr. was built by Huntington Ingalls Industries, Ingalls Shipbuilding Division, in Pascagoula, Mississippi. The ship honors U.S. Navy veteran and Medal of Honor recipient, retired Captain Richard Miles McCool Jr. Richard M. McCool Jr. is the 13th San Antonio-class LPD. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why the USS Richard M. McCool Jr. is an important addition to the U.S. Navy. Let's get into the details. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. San Antonio LPD-17 is the lead ship of the class. This class replaces the Austin-class LPDs, including Cleveland and Trenton subclasses, as well as the Newport-class tank landing ships, the Anchorage-class dock landing ships, and the Charleston-class amphibious cargo ships that have already been retired. Richard M. McCool Jr. is the last Flight 1 San Antonio-class LPD. In 2018, the U.S. Navy decided to produce a second flight of 13 planned LPD Flight 2 ships to have a total of 26 warships. LPD-30 Harrisburg is the first Flight 2 ship. USS Richard M. McCool Jr. will be capable of transporting U.S. Marines, amphibious vehicles, conventional landing craft, and rotary aircraft. This means it has the capabilities to support amphibious assault, special operations, or expeditionary warfare missions. Richard M. McCool Jr. would provide a high-quality command and control capability and improved interoperability between U.S. forces and partners in the region. The 684-foot-long, 105-foot-wide ship is expected to displace 25,000 tons when fully loaded. The San Antonio class was designed to provide the U.S. Navy and U.S. Marine Corps with a modern, sea-based platform that's networked, survivable, and built to operate with 21st-century transformational platforms such as the MV-22 Osprey. The San Antonio class has significant survivability features, and the class was designed to minimize radar signature, which makes it hard to detect and track. The class has a hardened structure so that it can absorb shocks and has improved nuclear blast and fragmentation protection. USS Richard M. McCool Jr., like other vessels of this class, is fitted with the Integrated Ship Self-Defense System, SDSS. The system fuses the radars and other sensors and controls the weapons systems for an automated, fast reaction capability against air threats. The Advanced Enclosed Mast Sensors, AEMS system mast, a 93-foot-high, octagonal structure, 35 feet in diameter, is constructed of a multi-layer frequency-selective composite material. It's designed to permit the ship's own sensor frequencies with very low loss while reflecting other frequencies. The tapered octagonal shape of the AEMS is designed to reduce the radar cross-section, and enclosing the antennas provides improved performance and greatly reduces maintenance costs. USS Richard M. McCool Jr. has several key components that enable specific functionality. 1. The Landing Craft Air Cushion (LCAC), which is a class of air cushion vehicles, or hovercraft, is used as landing craft by the United States Navy's assault craft units and the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force (JMSDF). They transport weapons systems, equipment, cargo, and personnel of the assault elements of the Marine Air and Ground Task Force, both from ship to shore and across the beach. The warship can accommodate 2 of these. 2. Amphibious Assault Vehicle is an armored assault amphibious full-tracked landing vehicle. The vehicle carries troops in water operations from ship to shore, through rough water and surf zone. It also carries troops to inland objectives after ashore. The warship will be able to carry up to 14 of these. 3. USS Richard M. McCool Jr. would be able to launch or land up to 2 MV-22 Osprey simultaneously and can accommodate 4 MV-22s on a flight deck and 1 in the hangar deck. The Osprey is an American multi-mission tilt-rotor military aircraft with both vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) and short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. It's designed to combine the functionality of a conventional helicopter with the long-range, high-speed cruise performance of a turboprop aircraft. Osprey can accommodate 24 troops seated and 32 troops floor-loaded, so V-22 Osprey could be used to carry special ops personnel. USS Richard M. McCool Jr. possesses multiple weapons for self-defense. It's equipped with 2 Bushmaster II 30mm close-in guns. The gun has a rate of fire of 200 rounds per minute and an effective range of 3.1 miles or 5 kilometers. It has 2 rolling airframe missile launchers. RIM 116 Rolling Airframe Missile (RAM) is a small, lightweight, infrared homing surface-to-air missile. It has an operational range of 9 kilometers or 5.6 miles. There are 2 Mark 41 8-cell VLS or quad-packed ESSMs. RIM 162 Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile (ESSM) is used to protect ships from attacking missiles and aircraft. It has a range of 31 miles or 50 kilometers. Several twin M2 Browning machine gun turrets are also present. U.S. Navy's San Antonio-class LPD is one of the key components through which the U.S. military can project power far away from the homeland. The overall capabilities make the warships of this class the most important assets for the U.S. military. Vessels of this class, including the USS Richard M. McCool Jr.'s ability to deploy special forces, introduces a critical strategic advantage. Special Forces units can execute a wide range of missions, including intelligence gathering, which can serve as a foundation for planning tactical operations. While it remains unclear where the USS Richard M. McCool Jr. will be deployed or what specific missions it will undertake, its addition will undoubtedly enhance the Navy's operational flexibility, equipping it to execute a variety of complex maritime missions with greater tactical precision.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.